Ontario Amber Alert. Event type is Amber Alert. For Juba, Ontario Amber Alert in effect. York Regional Police is requesting an Amber Alert in relation to a parental abduction in Aurora. Julia de la Cruz was taken by her father, Mario Rodriguez. Julia is 5 years old and is described as 3 foot 5 inches, thin build, and weighs 60 pounds. She was last seen wearing a green shirt and gray track pants. Mario is 46 years old and is described as 5 foot 5 inches, weighs 160 pounds, with short dark hair, brown eyes and is clean shaven. Mario was driving a 2008 Toyota Sienna van, silver in color, Ontario plate BEZY781. Last seen heading south from Aurora approximately 3 hours ago. If observed, call 911. Message is from Ontario Provincial Police.
Ontario AMBE alerte. Pour GTA, la police régionale de York demande de l'assistance du public concernant un Amber Alert en relation avec l'enlèvement d'un enfant par son père dans la ville d'Aurora. Le père, suspect, conduit une fourgonnette Toyota Sienna 2008 grise ou argent avec la plaque d'immatriculation B21781 observée dans la direction sud de la ville d'Aurora et 3 lourds. Si vous observez cette véhicule, appelez le 9 un message de Ontario Provincial Police.